Bing. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, XRP update. What's happening? How are we gonna get to our target that's sitting at, where's our target? That's sitting at 1.9. When is that gonna happen? So we're gonna talk about that, and we're gonna talk about is this bullish or bearish. Yesterday there was a big dump, very good buying opportunity. I told people in Telegram, like, this is when you buy. You buy when there is blood on the streets. When everybody's selling, you buy. Especially, you have to ask yourself, is the bull run over? If the answer is no, you buy the dip. That said, we also, if you're interested in altcoins, I just have to say this. If you're interested in altcoins, we got this altcoins daily video going on Patreon, where we do like 30 plus coins every single day and rank them up. Like, this is good, this is bad, and stuff like that. So if that's something for you, you might want to check that out. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with XRP. Make my face smaller, charts bigger, as always, a good thing. So basically, after the pump over here, right, we went into this area, resistance area up here. There are a lot of lines over here, but all of these lines are some kind of a resistance area that has to be broken one by one, or 2 by 2, however they want to be broken. You can see here it went all the way up to the top up here. This actually the last resistance, this is only the top where we want to actually to get out of, but this area up here, that's the big ball of you know, something, and now we have to get out. So how we are doing so far? Well, first of all, on the daily, you can see that we are dropping up down. We only dropped down to the previous daily close up here. That's actually quite bullish. So we have actually managed to create some kind of support right over here. There's some kind of support right over here that we are holding. So if this starts going down, we are going to look for this support to hold. If this support break, we're going to be that's going to be a bad sign, but doesn't have to be. But we preferably we want this support hold. But this is on the daily, so we're going to see. Let's see what's happening on the 4-hourly chart in this area right now. You can see here, once we hit this above this resistance here, we could not break it and hold it, so we went back and found this support again. You can see here clearly that it's finding support on this line and hitting the 20 moving average as support and bouncing. So yesterday was actually quite 4 hours ago. Last 4-hourly candle was quite actually nice candle because it bounced off the 20 moving average above the 10 moving average, and that's what it needs to do. It needs to get above the 10 moving average for the price to continue going up, right? It needs to bounce above the bigger, smaller moving averages and then continue bouncing up. But right now it looks like we are going a little bit back down, but that's not a problem as long as we are above this 20 moving average, and 20 moving average is pushing us. This is 4-hourly chart, so I'm expecting either 20 or the 50 moving average to hold us, but then we're gonna wait the 9th of April. Tomorrow, maybe there's gonna be the 9th of April. So one of these lines are gonna actually hold, because you can see here between the yellow line. Where's the yellow line? The yellow line was actually holding the price. It wasn't the blue line or the purple line. The purple line is 200 moving average. The blue line is 100 moving average. It's neither of these two held down here. It was the 50 moving line that's pushing in price. So this move up here might actually be supported by the 50 moving average, and that's this yellow line. So this might go something like this while we go sideways and then pick up the price and go. Might even dip all the way down here before we actually bounce. That doesn't happen because we right now it's a strong uptrend. So the 200 moving average is actually also very nice. So it's kind of in no man's land right now because we are not quite sure which way it's gonna break. So we are continuously looking that we are gonna get a breakout from the 20 moving average, but we have to be aware that the 51 is actually on the 4-hourly that's acting as support. You can see on the daily that the 10 moving average is way far down here, almost like the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. So the 10 moving average I would like to see coming a little bit more up. I would like the 10 moving average to come a little bit more up and maybe hit the 10 moving average and then go up, or even just fall down all the way down to 10 moving average and then get support on 10 moving average. Either way, on the daily chart you have to look up for this 10 moving average when it starts climbing up. On a 4-hourly chart you want to look at this 50 moving average when it starts climbing up. So one of these two lines is gonna give it support it needs. I don't think this is primed to pump today all the way out of this glue, but it's looking very good. It's looking very good. The indicators on the daily and on the weekly, the MACD on the daily and the weekly looks very good, especially on the weekly. RSI looks very nice. On the daily we are down at 67, so it looks perfect. So we might actually start pumping tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or the day after that, maybe even today, if we can manage to get above this 10 moving average and maybe ride it. So it all depends. But the thing is, the thing you have to know now, it's coming in this trading range. We are in and entirety of this box over here is a trading range, so price can do whatever it wants inside this range. Maybe go a little bit up, a little bit down, up, whatever it wants. This is a trading range right now, and once it gets out of this trading range, it breaks this level up here. Once it breaks this level up here, somewhere around here, right? Once it breaks it and tests a level, we're gonna go up. And once that happens, the next target should be around 1.97. So that's what we're looking for. But right now it's very hard to say what's it gonna do. Let's go even down to smaller time frames and see what's happening on the small time frames. You can see here that we jumped above the all moving averages up here above 50, and then we went back down to the 10 and 20. But look, see on the 1 hour chart, it looks like 10 and 20 is giving us support. But this 1 hourly chart, so I would actually look for the 100, even 200 moving average on the 1 hourly chart to give us support. These small moving averages, 50, 10 on the small time frames, they don't matter. It's like you go to the 5-minute chart and they just don't matter. You have to go into the 200 and the 400 moving average and see what's actually happening with these big moving averages. So you see here we're sitting on those big moving averages as well, but it's a small time frames, so nobody cares about that. Nobody cares about that. Let me just remove this. So right now, is there a divergence here or sitting? Let me see just quickly if there is a divergence here. The price going up, the price going, yeah, maybe. Let's see. It's almost like, nah, we're not gonna go there. It's 1 hourly chart. We don't really care what's that happened. This looks like it broke on the upside, because over here, I don't know if you can see it, it's very small triangle, but it is a triangle. And this triangle over here right now broke on the upside. Now it's retesting the triangle on the upside, but this 1 hourly chart, but it indicates that this might actually push further up. So I don't think it's gonna happen today. That much I know. I don't think it's gonna happen today, but when it's gonna happen, that doesn't matter, because it will happen. XRP is super bullish. All indicators are saying we are super bullish, but we gotta do some like movement before we get out of the chart. That's basically it. Either way, I've been bullish on XRP for a long time. If you can go back and watch my videos on XRP, even during the dump. Even during this dump over here, I had a big rant on the channel, and I said, like, I don't want to say what I said, but you know, people get too scared and they sell. Just like in April when we had the Corona dump, you know, Black Swan event. The people don't know what's happening, so they're selling, and once they figure out what's so basically something happened here. People thought it was end of XRP, they sold because they don't know what's happening. Down here they figure out, it's not so bad, and the price went up, and they start climbing up, and they figure actually up, this is gonna go good, and then it went continue going up. So basically it takes like the price is kind of laggy. It takes people a little while to figure out the market, what's gonna happen when these kind of black swan events happen. But once they happen, the indication that this price is going up is indication that the market actually understands that, especially this breakout as well, market understands that XRP is not that, it's going to continue going up, it's going to continue doing quite well. That said, if you want to chat about XRP, be sure to join our Telegram group down in the comments and in the description. Just started today the group, so you might enjoy that. Also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more updates on XRP, and like the video, because YouTube algorithm likes the likes. I don't know why, but likes the likes. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow, maybe more XRP. Bye bye.